Aloha!
Today we are on the north shore of Oahu. We were on our way to get some underwater footage to share with you guys. However, the weather is...
yeah, not very cooperative. It's super cloudy, it's cold.
Windy, a bit rainy.
Believe it or not, it gets cold in Hawaii from time to time.
For us at least, maybe not for you. So we came to this beach called Three Stands, known as a snorkeling beach. So excited to get in the water, see some underlife. However, it's very rough. No swimming, flags everywhere, big waves. However, on our way down to the beach, we meet this little chicken family. Cutest thing ever.
Yeah. And the dad, the rooster, was just like running around. The mom was like feeding the little chickies. So we decided to feed them a little bit. There were these nuts falling from this tree.
It's a big tree in the middle of the sand right here. We're not too sure what's in it, but we broke one by mistake and the roosters loved it.
So,
and they're starving. They look like they're really starving.
We are trying to break as many of these and feeding this family of chickens.
Mission impossible.
Yeah, they're really hard. I'm looking to make tools out of anything that I can find.
Yeah.
And we're gonna share it.
Yeah. So, and if you come to the north shore of Oahu, roosters are everywhere, and it adds so much charm.
So much.
To the city, to the town, and it's awesome. Shrey, what are you trying to do?
Trying to break this. They really liked it. We broke one. They loved the nut that was inside of it. I don't even know what it's called. So I'm trying to break one more, but they're like hard as rock.
We had some oranges in the car, and so I just googled it, can chicken and roosters eat oranges, and it was fine. It's actually good for them. So I peeled one, gave it to them, and they actually liked it. They loved it. They got a bit too excited about it. They're really starving. I wish I had more food for them, but it's actually a go with the flow kind of day, and I'm just glad that this happened because I was struggling with what video to make because the weather wasn't helping us today, and this happened, and it's awesome because we get to spend time with this beautiful family here and share it with you guys.
Oh. Did you give them the nut too?
Yeah, they didn't eat a nut though. So
they didn't? Yeah, they're so beautiful, aren't they?
Oh, I wish I had more.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry.
I can break more nuts for them.
But they didn't eat them. The dad ate them.
The nut?
Yeah, they didn't like it.
Oh.
Sorry. I hope you can play a rescue. Let's give them a name. Let's name them.
What should we name them?
Roosty for the dad.
Okay.
Cock for chicken.
Cock for the chicken?
because cock in French is rooster.
yeah, in English too.
Right. Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know that. No, I don't like it for her. She needs a girly name.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm bad with names.
Luna.
Okay, Luna. How about the baby? There's 5 of them. Chicky 1, Chicky 2,
Chicky 3, Chicky 4,
and Chicky 5. And today they are the Chicky family.
Yeah, and we're so glad we got to meet them.
Yes, they're so nice. I wish we had more food for them.
Yeah.
It's okay. We give them some of our human love.
And that's all that matters.
They weren't scared of us.
No, they weren't.
It's beautiful.
It is. It really is.
Next time I come to North Shore, I'm bringing me chicken food.
Yeah.
Right?
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.